Want to spice up your videos with emojis that actually move? Static emojis are fine, but animated emojis can grab attention and add personality, especially on Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. But how do you do it? Let's walk through it. Before we jump in, be sure to like this video and hit subscribe. We've got more video editing tips coming your way. Step 1. Pick a video editor that supports animation. Apps like CapCut, VN Video Editor, InShot make adding animated emojis super easy. Open your app, load your clip, and head to the stickers or emojis section. Step 2. Add emojis and animate them. You can choose any emoji, heart eyes, fire, laughing face, etc. Then, adjust size and position. Add entrance/exit animations, like bounce, fade, rotate. Keyframe them to move along with an object like tracking someone's face. In CapCut, tap on the emoji, go to keyframe, and move it around in sync with your subject. Step 3. Export in high quality. Export your video in 1080p at 30 frames per second or higher to keep the animation smooth. Now it's ready for social media. If you like this tip, hit the like button and subscribe. We're always showing new ways to level up your mobile content. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.